Assignment 6 is about deciding how you're going to get your message across to your target audience. So you have this great idea for your campaign, look back at your campaign objectives from assignment 1B, and now you have to figure out how you're going to communicate this effectively to your target audience. So in this assignment, you're basically proposing very specific message strategies or advertising appeals. But we discussed those areas. So we have one-sided message strategy, two-sided messages, we have emotional appeals, we have informational appeal, scientific appeal, humor appeal, sex appeal, slice of life, popularity appeal, and so on and so forth. But you have to be very specific. Do not just say that we will use humor. You need to get into the very nitty-gritty of how exactly you're going to do that. Don't just say you're using an emotional appeal. Specify the emotions you're trying to evoke and how you're going to evoke these emotions. Don't just say you're using an informative appeal or informational appeal. Be specific about what are the tactics and things you're saying that showcase that you are using informational appeal. And remember, everything has to line up with what you have learned about your target audience. So look back at your assignments 2A and 2B, because we cannot just pick an advertising appeal out of thin air. It needs to resonate with the people that you're trying to reach. And that's why you are looking back at what you have learned about your target audience. Remember that the appeals that will be effective and persuasive for one target audience are not going to resonate with another. And that's why we are working on two separate campaigns for college students and for successful professionals to help you see those key differences in how different people and groups and demographics relate to different advertising messages.